Calculate the widths and height of the door panel. When installing accessories, the left and right distances should be kept consistent to avoid imbalance. Install the handle upside down. Before fixing the rails, first insert the spring components into the rails. Adjust each component of the door panel properly, and then insert the assembled door panel onto the fixed track. The folding component can also be used on four-door vehicles.